This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. So in this video, we are opening up our set of LorAnn's Oils Super Strength flavors. So as you can see from the box, these are great for baking and candy making. So think adding into your recipes like cakes, muffins, pies, also into your frostings for doing things like making hard candy, various other types of candy. We're specifically going to use these for making some gummy bears and also things like fudge. These oils are much more intense than extracts. Ooh, my little box is hard to get into. And we got a variety pack. So if you're not sure what you want and you just want to try some, buying one of these little variety packs, ours came with 10, is a great idea. And you can see it came first and foremost with raspberry, cherry, lemon, apple, orange, my favorite, pear, strawberry, watermelon, grape, and blueberry. So if you look at these flavors, you can see there's a wide range of different fruit flavors in here, and they're ones that you wouldn't commonly find in extract form. These drams are extra concentrated, so it's really small because you need significantly less of this than you would an extract. So you're only adding them in small amounts, which is why they come in these super small sizes, because they're really potent. That potency is what also allows you to use them in making candy. So they're easy to store on hand in a wide variety. They don't take up a lot of space, and you can use them in your candy making and baking, which makes them really, really versatile and gives you a nice range to select from, especially if you want some more unusual flavors that you want to be really intense, like say the apple, cherry, or the blueberry, which you might not be able to find in extract form. Also things like that watermelon, and they come in a really, really wide selection, but getting one of these little starter sets is a great way to introduce yourself to them. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.